Hi everyone, today we can do exercise 1A, question number 3. A computer mechanic in Delhi charges repairing cost from 5 different persons A, B, C, D, E with certain discounts. The repairing cost and the corresponding discounts are as given below. If the rate of GST is 18%, find the total money including GST received by the mechanic. So A, B, C, D, E are different persons. Repairing cost is given, discount percentage also given. So discount is given as 30%. So how much percentage we have to pay? That is total 100%. So 100 minus 30, so 70% we have to pay. So directly we can write that. Next we can write discounted price or the selling price. Discounted price, or otherwise we can say it as selling price, will be, they are giving us a discount of 30%. So how can we write that? Remaining, that is 70% we have to pay to 5,500. So 70% of 5,500. That means the repairing cost is 5,500. They are giving us a discount of 30%. So we have to pay 70% of 5,500. That is 70 by 100 into 5,500. So value of that is what? 3,850. 3,850. Similarly, they are giving a discount of 40%. So we have to pay 60% of which one? 6250. That is the selling price. That is 60 by 100 into 6250, which is equal to 3750. 3750. Here also 30%. So remaining it will be 70%. That is 70 plus 30 is 100. Here 60 plus 40 is 100. 70 plus 30 is 100. So remaining 70% we have to pay. That is 70% of 4,800. That is 70 by 100 into 4,800. You will get the value as 3360. Next is 20%. So 20% means we have to pay 80% of 7,200. That is 80 by 100 into 7,200, which is equal to 5760. Next is 40%. So we have to pay 60% of 3,500. That is 60 by 100 into 3,500. So 60 by 100 into 3,500 is 2100. 2100. So up to this completed. Next we want to find out the total discounted price. That means total SP we want to find out. So total discounted price. Therefore total discounted price is equal to, we have to add this 3850 plus 3850 plus 3750 plus 3360 plus 5760 plus 2100. You will get it as 18,820 rupees. 18,820 you will get the total discounted price. So now we got the total discounted price. Given GST is 18%. So the transaction is within Delhi. Read the question. A computer mechanic in Delhi. So the transaction is within Delhi. So it will be an intrastate transaction. So we have to pay GST to what? State government and central government. That is, if GST is 18%, What will be CGST? CGST will be 9% of the total discounted price. Got it? Same way SGST also 9% of this total discounted price. So total GST is given as 18%. Since the transaction is within Delhi, it is an intra-state transaction. So we have to pay which one? CGST and SGST. So next step, write down GST is equal to 18%. Given GST is equal to 18%. Since it is an intra-state transaction, that is within Delhi, we can write CGST is equal to 9% of this total discounted price. No, total discounted price we got it as 18,820. So that will be 9 by 100 into 18,820. You will get it as, check the answer. Decimals will come 1693.80. 1693.80 or 8. That's it. Better cancel this 0. Then multiply these two divided by 10. That answer will be 16938 divided by 10. So 10 means remove one decimal place. So you will get it as 1693.8. So similarly, what will be SGST? SGST also will be 9% of which one? 18820. So same answer we will get it as 1693.8. So SGST we got, CGST we got. Already we know the discounted total discounted price we already found out. Then total money. That means what we want to find out? Total money including GST we have to find out. So last one. Therefore total money is equal to, that is discounted price, that means SP. Another name for discounted price is SP plus CGST plus SGST is equal to 18,820. No? 18,820 plus 1,693.8 plus 1,693.8. So final answer will be rupees 22,207.6. 22,207.6. Okay, thank you.